When you see any red and white tape, it signals that you shouldn't move to that area. You just stay closer to your teacher. Your teacher will direct you. Okay?
Hard hats, that's what? It protects your head.
Yeah.
Okay? And your reflective vest, that's what? It makes you visible. So that
this is how big buildings are built. And what we're building here is called Heritage 100. Within 1 year, you're gonna come and see a whole new place. It's gonna have beautiful shops, a supermarket, and lovely homes for many families. So we wanna show you all the various types of tools, machines, and construction that we do here. Are you guys ready to see it and hear more about it? Great. Anybody wants to do development when they grow up? Oh, great. And so it's very good. Our engineer talked to you about what we do here.
They're called what? Iron rods. Okay, what do you use it for? Yes. Say louder.
Use it for concrete.
Yes. For concrete. So this is what?
Good. Clap for her.
So I hope you guys had a very good time. You enjoyed the construction site visit. And you guys are going to be future architects and developers someday soon, right? Alright, so we have some small gifts for you that you can go and enjoy when you get back to class. What you say?